Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify security groups in AWS for your EC2, full guide step by step clearly. To verify security groups in AWS for your EC2 instance, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left navigation pane, find and click on Instances. Locate the EC2 instance you want to verify. Click on the instance to open its details. Scroll down to the Description tab. Look for the Security Groups section. Click on the security group link listed there. This action takes you to the Security Groups dashboard. Here, you will see a list of inbound and outbound rules. In the Inbound Rules tab, check the current rules. These rules dictate the traffic allowed into your EC2 instance. Review the source IP addresses specified in each rule. Ensure they align with your intended access requirements. Next, switch to the Outbound Rules tab. Check the rules that define traffic allowed out of your instance. Verify that they are set up correctly for your application needs. To edit any rules, click the Edit Inbound Rules or Edit Outbound Rules button. Make necessary adjustments based on your security requirements. After making changes, click on the Save Rules button. Confirm that the security group changes reflect accurately. Return to the EC2 dashboard to monitor your instance's performance. Optionally, you can use the AWS CLI for security group verification. This includes commands like AWS EC2 describe security groups. For further accuracy, consider logging into your Test the connectivity using tools like Telnet or curl. This ensures that the changes made to security groups are functioning as intended. Regularly review your security groups for any necessary updates. This helps maintain the security posture of your AWS infrastructure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.